Yo guys, so I just had to go on a little rant here about Unity. Like, come on. Why is Unity this hard to use? Come on now. It shouldn't be this hard. So, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to put a texture, like not actually a texture but an image on a surface. An image on a surface. I'm trying to put an image on a surface. Okay, so as you can see here, I haven't done anything. This is just a space that I've created here. Okay, so I've used Pro Builder to make this room, which has not been easy in itself, but hey, it's been done and it's looking good. Okay, so now I wanted to make a room and I wanted to make it up in appropriate size. So I'm using these meters here that Pro Builders has provided. But you know what? These meters are actually not always right. But anyways, so I tried to make a little base here for my room. Boom. So I did. I used the let's open up the Pro Building tools here. Let's open up the Pro Building tools here. Okay, so I used the new poly shape and I made it so the grid snapping, everything, sure, very fine, all good. I raised it up a little bit, but as you can see, this does not line up. And look, Pro Builder is not Unity, but it is heavily, heavily advertised. So yeah, anyways, I'm just using the below meters to reference instead of the above meters. It's not a big deal because I want to put an image on this surface. Okay, so what would you think to do? Well, I have an image here that I want to put in. Looks like this. I have it open here in Paint just to show you. Here it is. Okay. That's the thing I want to put in. So I'm going to put it in, right? I'm going to open a window here. Take this, put it in here. You see it right here. Okay. All good, all fine. So maybe I'll drag and drop it. Oh, that's not what I want. It's tiled, I get that, sure. I exit. I go into the tools, the builders, window, dock it in here for the time being. Okay, so I think to myself, okay, Pro Building, we need to use the Pro Building things here. I select the surface. Okay, let's go into Material Editor. Select the material. Okay, it's right here. And apply. The same thing. Okay, clearly that's not the right thing to do. But actually, let's do that. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Okay, apply. So I think about the UV editor. Okay, let's open the UV editor. Convert that back to manual for a second here. Okay, you can't actually see, but I'm going to put it from tile to fit. Oh, oh, it fits the wrong way. And it's the wrong way. Why is it the wrong way? Can I rotate it? No, I can't. What's going on? Wait, actually. Oh yeah, I can. I can rotate this. But I can rotate this in strange ways. In strange ways. Anyways, so that doesn't work. I say to myself, screw it. Because I know that there's other ways And it's another way that's easier. Okay, I make a regular plane. A regular plane. And don't don't even get me started on how hard it was to get this plane in the same dimension that this below shape was. Very, very tedious and weird. Okay, but now I have this plane here, regular plane. Like here, 3D object plane, a regular plane, not a plane from the pro building tools. Okay, so I know now that if I have this plane here, I can drag and drop something on it because I've done it before. Oh, wait. It's been put in exactly the wrong way. Why would I want it that way? Can you please explain it? Why would I want it that way? Okay. So I click here, right? I click here. And I look here. Is it something here? Wrap, repeat? No. Can I click on can I look the surface here? Maybe edit texture, edit something, create empty UI, other effect no, what? Copy, paste, rename, delete, I don't know. How, what? So I think to myself, okay, let me just solve this. Let me just solve this in the easy way. So the thing is rotated 90 degrees in the wrong direction. Right. Okay. Delete this. We go into paint, right? We go into paint. Go outside of the program. And I think to myself, oh, I'm so smart. I'm just gonna rotate it. Let's rotate it 90 degrees like that. Okay. No, actually, let's rotate it 90 degrees like this. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna put it back inside. Oh, it works. Awesome. But don't even get me started on how hard it was to get to this point. And if I check it, it's actually up mirrored now. It's actually, oh, wait. It works. Okay. It works, but it's actually mirrored now. So I have to be able to put this in and put it in correctly. Okay, exit out. Going to paint again. Now, after I rotate, I need to flip it vertically. Save that. Back into Unity. And look at that. Look at that. All of that. I had to do all of that to be able to just put this in here. And now it's a regular plane. It's not a pro building plane, so I can't actually, or I don't think I can. Okay, let's see if I can do something on this plane here. So if I use pro building tools and try to mark something here. Let's see. Is it marked on the... Okay, it actually works, okay? It actually works. Yeah, so it does work. But, ladies and gentlemen, that is insanely ridiculous. Peace out.